brush my teeth. I'm going to fill a cup of water so I don't leave the tap running. And I will not waste the water.
كيف ما نحلو سلمى للما وقت لتغسل سنينك متى تيخو شاور تخليص المنيزل الحين طويل تزاش بايب بس تغسل الكرسة إما أبزا برميل اتسكيا يك أمس سيرفيت يقطر الدار تفرسيا عشان.
Turn it off. Don't leave the water running when you wash your hands, brush your teeth, or take a shower. Be careful when you water your plants. Please be careful. Don't waste water during the showers.
Message from Superhero Andrew. Save water. Water is life. Without water, nothing will survive. We need water, and the earth needs it too. Saving water is up to you.
Saving water. Do not throw old water. When you give your pet fresh water, don't throw the old water down the drain. Use it to water your trees or shrubs. To save water in the bathroom. First you wash your hands, but then don't let the tap open. Second, instead of a bath, have a shower. You can use up to 5 times more water when taking a bath instead of a shower. Saving water in the kitchen. Wash fruits or vegetables in a bowl instead of running water. Saving water in the garden. Water your plants late in the day to reduce evaporation. Use plants that require less water.
تحليش إرما علق للفيت سكم تغسل يديك أغسل خفنا خويج في دقة علق الفيت ساو دوتشا ومش بانيو علق للما سكم تغسل سنينك.
Save water. Water is life. Without water, nothing will survive. We need water, and the earth needs it too. Saving water is up to you.
Are you ready? Here we go.
Life is water, water is life.
live and stay on the map. Drinky, binky, water's pure. We have to save it, and that's for sure.
Life is water, water is life. Without water we can't survive. Life is water, water is life. Without water we can't survive. Life is water, water is life. Without water we can't survive. So shut the tap and stay on the mat.
That's right.